I'd like to see the side where they swallowed their pride, but it seems purity has dried up and died. I feel for your tears if you ever have cried. They think they know me, but not what's inside. My mind may seem closed, or my perception is wide. They think they know me, but not what's inside. I've thrown all my effort and tried and applied. I can't seem to break free from this nightmarish ride. They think they know me, but not what's inside. My true self is hidden and it always will hide. You said you were there, but you've obviously lied. Now I'm stuck with the thought that it's okay to glide. I fake what I feel, my emotions just slide. In love with myself, cause I won't find a bride. But yet I feel watched and secretly eyed. If only you knew what goes on the inside. I'm out of my feelings, come close and provide a reason to feel. She'll try and reveal the truth behind these words I've graciously spilled. You're blind to the hand I was unfairly dealt. Said she relates, no, this here is my field. You hardly got close to this dried up dead rose. She thinks she knew me, but nobody can know what truly goes on behind the music and flow. I don't need you here, why don't you just go? I may have fucked up, but you never did show what you felt in your heart in the ocean below. This back and forth love ain't unspoken no more. It's all come to light, no, you've always been right. The man you once liked is now out of sight, and he feels remorse cause we're so much alike. There's much more to say, plenty of nights we can fight. It's best I let go, stick my tongue out and bite. We feed off each other like your